My hair has grown so much. Okay, so the last time I actually posted an update on my hair, my natural hair, was on December 27, 2017. And looking at the video right now, I am shocked because my hair has grown so much. Like, wow. So I'm going to update you guys what I do and some of the things that have really helped my hair grow. This is just me. My previous video I actually mentioned like 5 products I use for my hair, and I haven't changed any. So first of all, I'll talk about what I use to wash and deep condition my hair. So most of the time when I take my braids out like this, what I actually do is I do my own DIY deep conditioner. I use eggs, honey, mayonnaise, sometimes banana, sometimes I add avocado, and I actually add like a regular conditioner to it. I mix all of them and I apply to my hair. That time I used to like detangle the hair, so when I get into the shower it's not like a lot of work. I will also say that I don't shampoo my hair every time. I shampoo my hair when I think it really needs the shampoo. So let's start with what I use to shampoo my hair. This is what I actually use to shampoo my hair. It's the OC Mega Moist shampoo, and I love it because honestly it doesn't strip off the oils of my hair. So this is a must-have if you're a natural girl, a fussy girl like me, especially during these cold months. I would advise that even if you really want to shampoo your hair, this is the best you can use. Trust me, I've used a lot of shampoos. It didn't work for me, but I can tell you that this worked 100% for me. The conditioner I used is the OC Mega Moist conditioner. I really love this too. As I said, sometimes I do my own DIY deep conditioner, but sometimes if I don't do the DIY conditioner, this is what I use. After shampooing my hair, I apply this into my hair and I leave it in for like 20 minutes, then I rinse it off. Other product I'll also talk about is my Jamaican black castor oil. I love this. I'll say that this is a very thick oil, so less is more. You don't have to use a lot. I actually mix this with my shea butter and other products, then I apply it to my hair generously before I braid, because I realized that my hair is low porosity, meaning it can't like absorb water, so I have to use quite a lot of oils before my hair absorbs the oil. I don't know if it makes sense, but I will advise that you get the black castor oil too. It has really helped my hair grow. Everybody knows about shea butter. I go through shea butter like crazy. This is the white one. I mostly use the yellow one, but this is what I have at the moment. So yes, shea butter is also a must if you're a fussy girl like myself. Another product I'll talk about is the Africa's Best Super Grow, and I actually purchased it from Walmart for probably $5 or less. This also really does good with my hair. It smells good, honestly, and what I can say about this is very moisturizing. When I'm done washing my hair, it's one of the products I actually apply to my hair before I braid, because I cannot go without talking about my chapter 2000. It doesn't smell good, honestly, but this works. Like, look, if you have dandruff, this will do the work for you. This will do the magic, I'm telling you. And it really grows hair. This is a product I always let my mom send to me from Ghana. You probably can get some online. I'll definitely try and leave a link. Finally, after applying all my oils and my cream and everything, all that good stuff, I actually apply a leave-in conditioner. This is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. This is a must-have too. It's very affordable, like $3 and some, or $4. I was using the ORS Unleashed curls, but I realized this one also works amazing as a leave-in conditioner. It's very necessary before you braid your hair. Make sure you apply a leave-in conditioner. It kind of seals all the oils and the creams you actually apply to your hair. I've actually shared most of the things with you guys and the products I use. My hair, I've baked for like a little bit over 2 years, and I'm really happy with my growth. I'm focusing more on body, the thickness rather than the length. I usually trim it most of the time. When I wash it, I trim it. I trim the ends because I don't need no dead end. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I don't know what else you want to know, but I am so proud of myself. Like, unfortunately, I don't even have a measuring tape. Anyway, this is where I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I will reply to all of them. Like this video, share, and subscribe. Once again, the name is Jeanette Heaven. So see you guys. For the smell, it has this spicy / woody / herbal scent.